Hi there, my name is Nancy Walker. I'm a therapeutic chef and founder and executive director of the Wellness Kitchen and Resource Center in Templeton.
And my name is Stephanie Austin, and I'm a holistic health practitioner and the director of education here.
We really appreciate this opportunity to talk to you today about some of our programs and services that we offer.
The Wellness Kitchen is a nonprofit organization devoted to providing the community education, support, and resources on the value of healing through nutrition. We also offer classes on food as medicine, such as coming up here in July. We have gluten-free eating. We have how to control your blood sugar with nutrition, and different ones fighting inflammation, adrenal fatigue, to name a few. And we also have cancer fighting cooking 101. We have some hands-on cooking classes and a new one called the Freeway Cooking Series coming up as well.
The one closest to my heart is the Cancer Fighting Cooking 101 class. This class is really geared for the support team that's around you, your family members who do your cooking for you. We talk about hydration, portion size, variety, and how important these things are when you're going through treatment. We talk about nutrient-dense foods. We talk about how to season your foods if perhaps all you're tasting, everything is tasting metallic. How can I make this food taste better for me so that my intention is not to push myself away from the table, but it's actually to eat these good foods for you.
And the new three-way cooking series is coming up here in July. And we're starting out with beets, and we're going to move on to kale. Do you want to talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, I'm really excited about this program. Oftentimes we hear our clientele saying they go to farmer's market, they buy this beautiful bunch of kale or chard or beets as a great example. In July, so anyway, we're going to take this and teach you 3 different ways of how to prepare one particular item. So in July, we're going to take beets for our first class. In an hour's worth of time, we're going to show you 3 different recipes on how to prepare those beets. As an example, we're going to do a beet apple soup with cashew cream. We're going to do a raw beet, carrot, apple salad with mint. And then we're going to roast the beets and make roast beet chips. So there you go, 3 different ways on how to make beets so that you don't get tired of the same old way just to get through that bunch of beets for that week.
And in addition to those classes and our hands-on cooking classes, we also have a weekly food program, a couple different options for you. We have the wellness foods, healing foods. We also have a transitional foods that we've just started, and we're also doing a daily lunch service as well.
Yeah, the lunch service, we're starting July 16th. We'll have 4 items on the menu at any time, but those 4 items will change weekly. Everything's going to be packaged to go, so perhaps you're in between your doctor's appointments and you can hop on over to the Wellness Kitchen in Templeton and pick up your foods. But more importantly are the 3 food programs. The Healing Foods program is a program that we're applying for grants for right now. And these are the foods that are for those in critical need that don't have the support either financially or the support people around them to prepare their nutrient-dense foods for them. So we're going to look upon our doctors, on our advisory council and our board of directors to let us know these patients that need these foods, and we'll prepare them we're going to be having our local teams through a community service program learn their knife skills and safety and sanitation, and they're going to help us prepare these foods for you. The transitional foods are foods that we're going to start in July, and those are foods that are a little lighter on the palate, not quite so much citrus, garlic, spices. Think of your grandma's chicken noodle soup, something that you feel it just hugs you. Those are the transitional foods that we're going to be adding. The Wellness Foods program is just your good, everything gluten-free, dairy-free, organic, using local farmers, produce, and everything is served in glass containers. So it's ready to take home, pop in your oven. So it might give you that night off or a couple nights off during the week when you just don't feel like cooking, but you want a good, healthy meal to take home.
And what really excites me is that there is now enough evidence to show that nutrition is a supportive ally for both the prevention and the treatment of numerous ailments like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and even cancer. And so through our education programs, we teach you about the value of foods, the value of adding certain nutrients to your diet, as well as offering them to you in our weekly food programs.
We're finding too that a lot of our clientele come to us and they're actually malnutritious, malnourished. So really important, especially during treatment, to have the proper nourishment, so you're not feeling the fatigue. You're strong enough that you can go through the treatment that you've chosen. So really important for these programs.
I encourage you to visit our website. We have a lot of information and resources on there. It's www.TheWKRC.org, or you can give us a call at 805-434-1800. We have our menus that rotate there, a calendar. You can even submit ideas that you have. It's very interactive and hopefully easy for you to follow along.
And just know that we're here for you. We are a resource for you. Call on us, email us, let us know what your questions are. We want to work alongside you, your family members, and your doctors, your medical team. So we're looking forward to seeing you and hope to see you soon at the Wellness Kitchen.
Thank you.
You.